If we spend time learning about other Christian branches, the first thing we realize is that we have so much in common. The vast majority of what we believe is identical, and the differences are much smaller than most people think. One thing I can promise you, as a person who was Protestant for 3 decades, then lost my faith and became agnostic, and then returned to a loving relationship with Jesus as a Catholic, is that we can learn so much from each other. Catholics can learn from Protestants, and Protestants can learn from Catholics, and so can they both from our Orthodox brothers and sisters, and vice versa. If you really want to deepen your faith, having someone from another branch of Christianity to learn from is an amazing blessing from God and very rewarding. You can watch the full video called "What Are Catholics, Protestants and Orthodox All Getting Wrong?" on our YouTube channel. The link is either below or on all our social media pages.